Kit Kat. Just his horns must itch. Oh man, if we had some 80s metal going. Bang your head! Burn out! Metal health will drive you mad! So I'm driving around and I see that we had some cattle panels buried, and I cut one in half because I'm going to make a little bean trellis. I'm going to go from here to here, whoop, and then we'll plant beans. The idea is to take this strip. So these are actually leftover pieces from this. 2.5-inch screws. Yeah, let's just go for it. Here's the tricky part when the most beautiful person in the world is filming. Now, watch and learn, kids. Good luck, everybody. Like boating a marlin. Oh man, can he do it? Can he do it? Come on, man, you got this. Oh yeah, you are the man. Get it. Hey, don't doubt, babe. Hey, subscribe for more tips. So far, so good. Oh man, have to grind those off. And then, the idea. You're a genius. Oh, it's so cute. Oh, I thought I calculated that I'd just be it, but I'll be able to do that. Dang. My mind's going. Mine is like perfect. Could have made it just a few inches taller. I wish it was a little bit taller. I wish it was a baller. But isn't that slick how it just all whoopity-looped? Going at an angle on this one. Pretty extreme angle, but that way I don't have to come back and grind it. Beauty. I'll reverse those and that is so cool. And that was an 8-foot panel, so I figured, oh, I thought this was 3 foot, it's 30 inches. I was thinking we'd have 7 feet. You know, that's 4. Huh, pretty cool. Now we gotta plant some beans. We'll just be able to reach under there and pick them.
I love that.
Whoopsie. Hold strong little roots. So cute. Beans. And I put it here because the sun goes boop. So the shadows will be there. There's nothing there. But that's cool if we did need something that needed a little bit of shade. It could go right there. It's a little stained glass window. It's a little bit more archy. Man, it's been buried in the woods, so. And it was free. That's my favorite part. Let's plant some beans. Now I gotta figure out a hexagon planter trellis. Your tomatoes. Look at that. Rock and roll, Kit Kat! Woo! Stage dive. Oh.